So we at Soham, recently we have introduced sound healing. Actually, sound healing is not new and it is a very much part of yoga because it is also called as Nada Yoga. Here what we do, we use different singing bowls and we try to generate different frequencies, and those frequencies they match with the frequencies of the chakras. Like we all know about Omkar, and Omkar, it vibrates best at 136 hertz, and when you are able to produce that sound at that particular frequency, your mind, body, everything becomes calm. And when we talk about the sound healing, here also we use the similar way. We use different sizes of the bowls and we keep on different important chakras. Here what we do, because in Soham we are mainly focusing on the mental health, and we all know very well that navel center or the solar plexus is directly involved in maintaining the mental health. So solar plexus along with the navel center, this is the site of your emotions. So when you do the healing at that particular area, you can get very good positive results. So sound healing is very much a part of yoga. Only thing is, like in Omkar, we have seven different aspects of Omkar. So Uma, Nad and Bindu, Kala and Kalatit. These are the 7 parts. Now, when we do sound healing, we reach the Nad part because Nad cannot be generated from the mouth. And if you want to generate it or you want to feel it, at least 120 months of the practice of intense sadhana of Omkar is needed to generate it. With the help of this sound healing, it is very easy for us, because sound healing, and when these bowls are used for that, automatically you start generating those vibrations, those feelings, because 963 hertz is one of the frequencies which is considered as the highest, one of the highest frequencies of the Sahasrara chakra, one of the frequencies. So what you can do is, from the physical level to the spiritual level, everything is balanced when you do the sound healing.